type on browser statetlr.com. A new interface will open. Let's scroll down. Click over here. Click over here. A new interface will open. You will get this section on the left where 1, 2, 3, 4 layers are placed. At the down section, print, download and reset button has been given. Let me explain here. The layer section works for different layers of the mandala according to the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Print button can be used for printing directly from printer, and download button helps to download the file on your computer, and finally reset button can be used to redo the task again. From this section you can choose and edit your pattern. You can see such option where already customized designs have been made already for you by different artists and designers. This is just simply easy. Just choose the design and arrange its items, size and rotation. You can edit it according to the layer. You can add more designs layer-wise and edit it. My mandala is almost ready. I am going to download it on my computer. The downloaded file will be on PDF. You can convert your file to JPG online easily. You can use your mandala for different purpose like print and color it digitally, share among your friends, or for decoration.